What's up, everybody? This is Big Herc. I'm out here at Gladstone's getting ready for the fuel run. Got a lot of cool cars out here. Even had Christian von Koenigsegg show up with his Koenigsegg 1500 horsepower, killing the game. There's a lot of sick cars out here. You can see I got the Cougar in the background. I'll be rolling in the 6.8 doing my thing. So let me go ahead and take a cruise through the parking lot so you can see what they're working with out here in Malibu. Lots of cool cars, Bentley, Porsches, McLaren. Koenigsegg. I think the Reguera, this is the one that Christian von Koenigsegg rolled up in, 1500 horsepower. Super dope.
I used to write about cars.
Another Koenigsegg. Another Koenigsegg CCX. Another Reguera RS. This is Koenigsegg heaven right here. These cars are such amazing cars.
Where is he? Is he gallivanting?
I think I like that smell though. Imagine you talk sorry. You gotta do something.
Got a couple NSXs.
It's unbelievable.
I can.
How do you even keep? I don't know. One camera for each again. Yeah, you go from this show to that auction.
Jag, Viper. Got a Bentley wrapped. A Ferrari with a cool wrap. Lambo. Another Ferrari. A couple of aerials. Aston Martin. Porsche Speedster.
Yeah, there were two earlier. Yeah.
Lots of cool cars.
How are you?
A couple more Ferraris. Lambo. Another Ferrari. Convertible Benz. Got an Eleanor over here. Pebble Beach Car Week. A lot of cool cars, a lot of fun, and the drive should be interesting. I think I have the oldest car on the drive, being a 68 Cougar. We got a McLaren in front of us and a newer Corvette. Make our way here down PCH to the canyon. Big Herc with the car hustle. Made it to Monterey. We're downtown now, walking around, about to go grab something to eat. Had a hell of a drive. Tomorrow, off to another event. Making it happen, Big Herc Car Hustle.